Well, they say hindsight is 2020, and with this build, I think the lighting of the eyes fits that perfectly. I bought a couple of lights off of Amazon. One is just a strip light, and then the other is these angel and demon eyes where there's actually two lights for each eye, an outer ring and an inner LED. The outer ring is always on, but you can turn the inner light on and off with a switch that's in the wire. These are going to be plugged into the receiver for power that goes with my RC transmitter. Neither of these lights are smart lights. They're when the receiver's turned on, that means that they will be getting power and will be on. I can't control them from the transmitter. I'm okay with that. But here I am just test fitting, making sure that the lights are bright enough, and as you can see, I had to drill a hole. That's part of the hindsight joke in the beginning. This is a IG head that I printed back when I first got my 3D printer, and it's been sitting on a shelf, and I repurposed it rather than building a new one. Again, hindsight, I probably should have built a new one. I could have added a little more maneuverability to it and made multiple sections rotate instead of just having the head rotate as a whole. The original intent was to get this finished for Comic-Con in San Diego. Unfortunately, due to the time constraint and size constraint of IG, I am not going to be able to take him with me this year. It does not mean I'm not going to try to finish him before I go. It's just one of many projects that I'm working on. I decided to work on a Zeb project, Zeb Aurelios from Rebels, and that's taking up a lot of my time as well. So here you see, here are the eyes as they're going to be. And I think I'm happy with what I got.